To apply Frontline or Frontline Plus to a cat is pretty straightforward. The hardest thing I found is actually getting the applicator out of the packaging. It comes in these big tubes that you need to split up. Usually it's 3 or 6 to a pack. And then getting this out of the bag is a challenge. Try to cut it, but not the tip inside. And bear with me, but we're getting there. Aha, success. So hold on, Tim. I know you like this. Frontline Plus is actually a great product because it gets both fleas and ticks. And Tim has had a share of ticks this season, so it's time to put on the Frontline. I usually use this every 3 or 4 weeks. And what you need to do, once you open the applicator, I'm going to hold off on that, is that you really want to get it down on the hair, off the hair and down on the skin. So you need to part the hair a little bit and get it down so the medication, the fluid, is actually on the skin before you do it. So I cracked open the little container, and then we've got Tim here. Well, doesn't like this too much, but we'll get down on the skin and then apply. You can put the whole amount in one location because of its size. Once you've done that, one of the things that you need to do is be aware of the fact that it'll be wet and it'll stay wet for a couple of hours, and you shouldn't touch the area for at least 12 or 24 hours until it's completely dry. Another thing you shouldn't do is either bathe the cat before, at least the day before or a day after you've applied the Frontline, because it takes about 24 hours to go through the oils on their skin. And if you bathe them ahead of time, sometimes removing the oils is not a good idea. So it's fairly straightforward. Getting the package out of the, getting the applicator out of the package is the hardest part, and just putting it on the hair, down on the skin and not on the hair.